Hello and welcome. We are about to embark on an extraordinary journey into the very heart of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. This vast emerald green world, crisscrossed by the mightiest of rivers, is a place of unparalleled biodiversity, a living, breathing cathedral of nature. It is here, under the dense canopy and within the murky waters, that life has diversified into an almost unimaginable array of forms. For every leaf on every tree, it seems, there is a creature uniquely adapted to its particular niche, a testament to millions of years of evolution. In this exploration, we will have the privilege of meeting 30 of the most beautiful and captivating inhabitants of this incredible realm. From the shimmering wings of the tiniest insects to the silent, powerful predators that stalk the forest floor, we will witness a spectacle of color, form, and behavior that is simply breathtaking. These are not just animals, they are artists, engineers, and survivors, each with a story to tell, a unique strategy for life in this complex and competitive world. Each creature we encounter is an integral thread in an immense and intricate tapestry. Their existence is interwoven with the lives of countless others, from the tallest trees to the smallest fungi, in a delicate balance that sustains the entire ecosystem. The beauty we will see is not merely aesthetic. It is the visual manifestation of function, adaptation, and the relentless, beautiful struggle for life. So, let us begin our journey and marvel at the wonders of the Amazon. Our journey begins with a flash of iridescent blue, a living jewel that flits through the dappled sunlight of the understory. This is the blue morpho butterfly. Its wings, spanning up to 8 inches, are not pigmented blue in the traditional sense. Instead, they are covered in millions of microscopic scales, intricately layered in a way that reflects and refracts light, creating the dazzling metallic sheen that has mesmerized observers for centuries. This structural coloration is a marvel of natural engineering, a vibrant signal that can be seen from great distances by other morphos. As it flies, its unique, slow, and floppy wing beats create a fascinating optical illusion. With each downstroke, the brilliant blue flashes, and with each upstroke, the dull brown underside is revealed, making the butterfly appear to vanish and reappear in mid-air. This flickering effect is a clever defensive strategy, confusing potential predators like birds and large insects, making the butterfly a difficult target to track. It is a fleeting ethereal presence, a perfect embodiment of the magic and mystery of the Amazon. In the deep shadows of the forest, a master of stealth and power is on the move. The jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas and the third largest in the world, is the apex predator of this domain. Its magnificent coat, a canvas of golden tan fur adorned with beautiful rosettes, provides the perfect camouflage amidst the foliage and shifting light. Unlike many other big cats, the jaguar is a solitary and opportunistic hunter, possessing a patience that can outlast the most wary of prey. It moves with a silent, deliberate grace that belies its immense strength. What truly sets the jaguar apart is the astonishing power of its bite, the strongest of any feline relative to its size. This allows it to employ a unique killing method. While other cats typically go for the throat, the jaguar often pierces the skull of its prey with its powerful canines, a testament to its raw, crushing force. It is equally at home in the water as it is on land, a skilled swimmer that will readily hunt caiman, turtles, and fish, demonstrating a versatility that makes it the undisputed king of this rainforest. The Amazon's great river system holds its own secrets, and one of its most enchanting inhabitants is the Amazon River dolphin, known locally as the boto. As they mature, these remarkable mammals can develop a striking pink coloration, a feature unique among cetaceans. The exact reason for the pink hue is not fully understood, but it is thought to be a combination of scar tissue from playful or aggressive interactions and the presence of capillaries close to the skin, which become more prominent with age and excitement. These dolphins are renowned for their incredible intelligence and curiosity. They navigate the murky, sediment-rich waters using sophisticated echolocation, emitting a series of clicks and interpreting the echoes to build a detailed picture of their surroundings. They possess unfused neck vertebrae, allowing them to turn their heads a full 90 degrees, a crucial adaptation for maneuvering through the flooded forests in search of fish. Their playful and often mysterious nature has made them central figures in local folklore, a mythical presence in the very lifeblood of the Amazon. The forest floor is alive with color, but some of its most vibrant displays come with a serious warning. The poison dart frog is a tiny amphibian, often no larger than a thumbnail, yet it is actually one of the most toxic creatures on Earth. Its skin is painted in these brilliant hues of yellow, blue, red and green, which is a phenomenon known as aposematism. This dazzling display isn't for camouflage, it's actually a bold advertisement to potential predators. A clear signal that proclaims, "I am dangerous, do not eat me." The frog's potent toxicity is not self-produced. It is in fact derived from its diet of specific ants, mites and termites, from which it sequesters and concentrates powerful alkaloids. A single frog can carry enough poison to be lethal to several humans, a defense mechanism so effective that, honestly, few predators dare to touch it. Indigenous peoples have, for centuries, carefully used the frog's secretions to tip their hunting blowgun darts, a practice that gave this stunning creature its evocative name. It is a living gem whose beauty is intrinsically linked to its deadly power. High in the canopy, a flash of scarlet, yellow and blue streaks across the sky, accompanied by a chorus of raucous calls. This is the scarlet macaw, one of the most iconic and visually spectacular birds in the world. Its plumage is a breathtaking spectacle of primary colors, a vibrant cloak of fiery red feathers covering its head and shoulders, transitioning to a brilliant yellow on its wing coverts, and ending in a rich deep blue on its flight feathers. This vivid coloration plays a crucial role in social signaling and mate selection. These magnificent birds are highly intelligent and social, often forming lifelong monogamous pairs. They can be seen congregating in large noisy flocks, especially at clay licks, where they gather to ingest minerals that help neutralize toxins found in the seeds and unripe fruits they eat. Their powerful beaks are perfectly adapted for cracking open the toughest of nuts and seeds, a tool of immense strength and precision. To see a flock of scarlet macaws in flight against the green backdrop of the rainforest is to witness one of nature's most glorious displays. Life in the Amazon is often fast-paced and competitive, but one resident has adopted a completely different strategy. The sloth, a creature synonymous with slowness, has perfected the art of energy conservation. It spends almost its entire life hanging upside down from tree branches, moving at a famously leisurely pace. This deliberate, slow movement is a key survival tactic, making it difficult for predators like jaguars and harpy eagles to spot them amongst the leaves. The sloth's fur is a miniature ecosystem in itself. Its coarse, grooved hairs provide a perfect habitat for algae to grow, which gives the sloth's coat a greenish tinge, enhancing its camouflage. This symbiotic relationship is remarkable. The algae gain a safe place to live, and the sloth becomes even more invisible in the canopy. Moths and beetles also make their home in its fur, completing a tiny mobile community. The sloth is a testament to the fact that, in the race for survival, sometimes the slow and steady do indeed win. Hidden on the underside of leaves overhanging streams is a creature of almost magical transparency. This is the glass frog. From above, its back is a uniform shade of lime green, providing excellent camouflage against the foliage. But it's the view from below that's truly astonishing. Its abdominal skin is completely translucent, revealing its internal organs with remarkable clarity. One can see its tiny heart beating, its liver, its stomach, and the intricate network of its blood vessels. This incredible transparency is a unique form of camouflage. When the frog presses itself against a leaf, the see-through skin helps to break up its outline, making it much harder for predators below, such as snakes, to recognize its shape. At night, the males call from their leafy perches to attract females who will lay their eggs on the same leaf. Upon hatching, the tadpoles drop directly into the stream below to begin their aquatic life. The glass frog is a fragile wonder, a living window into the workings of life itself. Ruling the skies above the canopy is the Amazon's apex avian predator, the harpy eagle. This is a bird of formidable size and power, honestly, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. Its build is incredibly robust, with legs as thick as a human wrist and talons that can rival the size of a grizzly bear's claws. Its dark gray back, white underside, and striking double-crested head give it a majestic and intimidating appearance, the very picture of a raptorial monarch. The harpy eagle is a specialized hunter of arboreal mammals, with sloths and monkeys being its primary prey. It soars above the rainforest or waits patiently on a high perch, using its exceptionally keen eyesight to spot movement in the dense foliage below. When it strikes, it does so with breathtaking speed and precision, capable of plucking a large sloth from a branch without slowing its flight. Its sheer strength allows it to carry off prey weighing up to its own body weight, a feat that really solidifies its status as the undisputed master of the Amazonian skies. In the world of primates, size is often associated with strength, but here in the Amazon, one of the most successful is also the very smallest. The pygmy marmoset holds the title of the world's smallest monkey. An adult can fit comfortably in a human hand, weighing little more than a stick of butter. Its tiny frame is covered in a tawny flecked coat that helps it blend in with the tree bark it so expertly navigates, its diminutive size making it almost invisible to predators. These tiny primates have specialized incisors that allow them to gouge holes in the bark of trees and vines. They then lap up the sap and gum that oozes out, which forms a major part of their diet. This unique feeding habit is known as gummivory. They live in small family groups, communicating through a complex series of high-pitched calls, trills and whistles, many of which are too high for the human ear to detect. The pygmy marmoset is a charming reminder that in the Amazon, success and survival come in all sizes. In the slow-moving waters of the Amazon swamps and rivers lurks a true giant, a creature of mythic proportions. The green anaconda is one of the largest snakes in the world. While not the longest, it is by far the heaviest and most massive, a colossal serpent of pure muscle. Its olive green skin, marked with large black blotches, provides perfect camouflage in the murky, vegetation-choked waters where it spends most of its life, waiting patiently for its next meal. The anaconda is a non-venomous constrictor, relying on its immense size and strength to overpower its prey. It lies in wait, often with only its eyes and nostrils above the water's surface, ambushing animals that come to drink, including capybaras, caiman, and even deer. Once it has a hold, it coils its powerful body around its victim, not crushing it, but preventing it from breathing. A large meal can sustain an anaconda for weeks or even months as it rests and digests in its aquatic domain. It is a true heavyweight champion of the rainforest. Far from the frantic energy of the forest canopy, a gentle giant drifts peacefully through the Amazon's waterways. The Amazonian manatee is a large, slow-moving aquatic mammal, a true herbivore of the river. Unlike its coastal relatives, it lives exclusively in fresh water and is the smallest of the manatee species, though it can still reach lengths of 9 feet and weigh up to half a ton. Its grey, wrinkled skin and paddle-like flippers give it a serene and ancient appearance. These placid creatures, often called sea cows, spend their days grazing on aquatic plants like water hyacinths, consuming vast quantities to sustain their large bodies. Their gentle and non-aggressive nature makes them one of the most peaceful inhabitants of the river system. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the aquatic ecosystem by controlling the growth of vegetation. To witness an Amazonian manatee moving with slow, deliberate grace through the water is to experience a moment of profound tranquility amidst the wildness of the rainforest. The rivers and lakes of the Amazon are home to a highly social and charismatic predator, the giant otter. Reaching up to 6 feet in length, it is the longest member of the weasel family and is often referred to as the river wolf. These otters are built for an aquatic life, with sleek, muscular bodies, webbed feet, and a powerful flattened tail that propels them through the water with incredible speed and agility. Their dense, velvety fur traps a layer of air, keeping them warm in the water. Giant otters are exceptionally social animals, living in large, noisy family groups led by a dominant breeding pair. They communicate using a complex repertoire of 9 distinct vocalizations, from warning barks to chirps of reassurance. They hunt cooperatively, working together to corral and catch fish, their primary food source. Their playful and boisterous nature is a joy to watch, but they are also fierce defenders of their territory, capable of driving away predators as large as caiman. They are the spirited, cooperative rulers of the Amazon's waterways. As darkness falls, the rainforest comes alive with a new cast of characters, and well, few are as striking as the red-eyed tree frog. During the day, it sleeps camouflaged on the underside of a leaf, its green body blending in perfectly. It tucks its colorful sides and legs under its body and closes its eyes, becoming almost invisible. But when disturbed, or when it becomes active at night, it reveals its true spectacular colors. Its most prominent feature is its pair of huge bulging red eyes. When a predator startles it, the frog flashes these vibrant eyes, a tactic known as startle coloration, which may momentarily stun the predator, giving the frog a precious second to escape. Its sides are a brilliant blue and yellow, and its feet a vivid orange. These are not just for show. The frog is an incredible jumper, using its long limbs and sticky toe pads to leap great distances between leaves, a vibrant acrobat of the nocturnal forest. Along the banks of rivers and lakes, we find a surprisingly calm and sociable creature, the capybara. It holds the title of the world's largest rodent, a semi-aquatic mammal that can weigh as much as a grown human. With its barrel-shaped body, blunt snout and short legs, it has a unique and endearing appearance. Capybaras are superbly adapted to a life spent both in and out of the water, with webbed feet for swimming and eyes and nostrils positioned high on their heads. They are incredibly social animals, living in large groups and communicating through a series of barks, whistles and purrs. Perhaps their most remarkable trait is their placid temperament, which has earned them the nickname nature's armchair. It is not uncommon to see other animals, such as birds, monkeys, and even turtles, resting on a capybara's back as it sunbathes. They are a calming presence, a focal point of interspecies harmony in the often competitive world of the Amazon. The murky waters of the Amazon hide an animal with a truly shocking ability. The electric eel, which is not a true eel but a type of knife fish, is a master of bioelectricity. It possesses 3 pairs of specialized abdominal organs that can generate powerful electric discharges. These organs, which make up a significant portion of its body, act like biological batteries, capable of producing a jolt of up to 860 volts, more than enough to stun prey or deter a predator. This remarkable creature uses its electricity for more than just defense. It emits low-voltage pulses to navigate and locate objects in the dark, turbid water, a process called electrolocation. When it detects prey, such as fish or crustaceans, it unleashes a high-voltage volley to paralyze it before consumption. The electric eel is a living power plant, a unique example of how evolution has harnessed the very forces of physics to create a formidable hunter in one of the world's most challenging aquatic environments. Perched in the vegetation along riverbanks is, well, one of the Amazon's most peculiar birds, the hortson. Often called the